Hey, I'm Matt from UrbanSpell. If you're a B2B company trying ABM, the biggest fear is usually this. Will we have to change everything in marketing and sales? We don't work like that. Our process is designed to run ABM in parallel, so your existing pipeline, campaigns, and sales motion keep moving, while we build a second lane that's focused on your highest value accounts. Here's how it works. 1. We start with a short strategy sprint. This is where we get clarity fast. We review your current marketing and sales process, what's working, what's stuck, and where deals actually slow down. Then we lock the ABM foundations, goals, ICP, and focus verticals. What we're optimizing for, meetings, pipeline, expansion, enterprise deals, who we're really targeting, and who we're not, account qualification and segmentation, which accounts are Tier 1, Tier 2, and why, a clean list of target accounts, the channels we'll use to reach them, and the pilot KPIs, so everyone knows what success looks like. This sprint ends with one thing, a simple plan your team can actually follow. 2. Then we run a pilot ABM program. This is the part most teams love. We implement a minimal viable ABM program over a quarter without pausing your existing process. From your side, we only need a small pilot pod, one marketer and one BDR sales rep. That's it. UrbanSpell runs the ABM engine, messaging sequences, content angles, targeting, and orchestration, so your team isn't overloaded. And because it's a pilot, it stays focused. We're not trying to boil the ocean, we're trying to prove what works. 3. If the pilot hits KPIs, we scale. Once we see the signals we want, right accounts engaging, right people responding, we operationalize. That means playbooks your team can repeat, a weekly cadence between marketing and sales, reporting that's account level, not vanity metrics, and clear pipeline attribution. At that point, ABM stops being a campaign. It becomes a function, a repeatable revenue motion. That's our flow, strategy sprint, pilot execution, scale into a full funnel ABM program. If you want, we can map your pilot in a quick call. Let's see you soon.